right? We talked about fluvial channels, localized in some areas, and then when it becomes a little bit extensive, when it becomes distributive. Shoreface, what do you think? Localized or not? This is the shoreface setting. I'm going to sketch something, but what do you think in terms of extent? Surface deposits, do you think they are going to be smaller than tidal deposits in terms of extent or bigger? Anybody can respond. Huh? Really? Okay. I heard that. Why?
Somebody else can say why.
Yeah, so if you think it's going to be smaller or bigger, let's know. What do you think? Surface versus surface deposit versus tidal bars or tidal channel? Okay, think in terms of extent and energy.
Tidal,
what do you guys think?
Tidal carries more energy.
Sorry?
Tidal carries more energy.
Okay, you say in terms of energy, tidal energy is more.
So obviously it will be smaller.
Okay, so you think they will be smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Bigger.
Who's smaller?
More energy, so smaller.
Back to what we saw in CMS.
Yes.
Where we're discussing tidal, and it is what we are seeing here. The play and the so you're not talking for the sake of it, right?
Yes. Remember what is the open ocean? And there are sediment that what we have deposited along the shoreline, for the most case, are shoreface deposits. In the tidal channel we looked at, we said that there's something about the geometry, and the bars may have what is called tidal bars and surrounding environments like tidal flats and all those. To compare the size of a typical tidal bar and a shoreface, which of them do you think is going to be more extensive? Did I hear what? Which is more extensive? Why?
The energy here is very high.
So the energy, is it what determines the extent or what? So think about the ocean versus tidal channel, which is bigger? The shoreline versus the tidal channel. You looked at the map. Which of them is bigger? Okay. Bring out your maps again. Let's look at it together. Yes. Think about it in terms of extent. The tidal channel, we told you, is like a neck connecting the lagoon or so to the ocean. Which of them will have much larger extent? Is it the tidal channel or is it the shoreface? Shoreface. Is that a unanimous view? Any other view? Sorry? The extent to the size of whatever it is. How much is deposited and the size, 3D length. Everything. So the thing is, look at it in terms of extent. The tidal channel is limited. Let's have the map. Anybody? Okay. So this is, remember we talked about tidal channel. I'm going to extend it. I'm going to just project here. This ocean, this is the ocean, sorry. This is the ocean trend. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to mimic it. Okay. So we looked at the tidal channel. We started here, right? We said that this channel continues like this, and it links to a lagoon. Right? Lagoon is constricted. It goes through some kind of meandering and everything, and it connects through this what? Tidal. This is a tidal channel. Sorry, I'm going to write on it now. Send me a better copy. Alright, so it goes from here, goes through some of these small rivers, and connects to a tidal channel. And then, actually, this is oriented, this is along the shoreline. So this shoreline continues like this, to your right, all the way down, and to your left. And packages are being deposited along this shoreline. Surface deposits. And then between here and here, we also have tidal channel deposits. And then further down here is lagoon. So which of them do you think will be bigger in terms of extent?
Shoreline.
Right? It is clear. So think of it in terms of size and energy. Here, the lagoon energy here is what? low energy because it's quiet. You won't be seeing this thing if you go to a lagoon. The energy here is driven by tide, high tide, low tide. It's still constricted, it's not open. But the energy in the open ocean is next level. It's constantly, higher. And remember we talked about tide. We said that the peak tide will be at 3 p.m. today, right? Right? 2 minutes, okay. By 3 p.m., some of this water level you see coming down and going back. By 3 p.m. also, it's going to have done its maximum peak, so that what you have here might even be getting to run. 6 hours later, it's going to be further down there. So again, in terms of extent, the message here is that along the shore face, you have what? A lot more extent. So when I'm drilling and I see a shore face deposit, it tells me that I'm going to expect it laterally along that shoreline for a longer distance.